What's going on? It's DMZ TV. My name is Dutch, and today we have a very special guest.
My name is Daedriana.
And Daedriana, where can they find you?
On IG, my name is Big Mama D.
Big Mama D. And today we're going to be talking about kombucha. Have you ever tried kombucha?
No, I haven't.
All right, so this actually is the SCOBY. The SCOBY is what actually makes kombucha. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the SCOBY inside of the tea, and that's black tea with sugar. So go ahead and put the SCOBY. It's Papa SCOBY.
And the babies.
Little baby. Go in there.
Oh man. Oh, it's so slimy and
It is because it's actually a fungus. And actually kombucha is a fungus that it goes through a fermentation process. It takes about a week to 10 days. And once it's ready, it starts like that color and it ends up this color.
Wow. We
We do a double fermentation here, so we get a nice little sweet taste to it with pineapple, ginger, or something different. But go ahead and try kombucha. Let me know what you think.
All right. So I think it's kind of sour, but not bad sour. But I don't think it's my cup of tea. You feel me?
it's a healthy way of drinking, but it's good for you. It actually is
Okay.
good for the digestion and everything. Anyway, guys, if you guys wanted to see the breakdown of how to make kombucha, let us know. So this has been an episode of DMZ TV. My name is Dutch.
And my name is D.
Until the next time, we are out.
Deuces.